rounder, and more lifted ang glutes mo? Do this workout 1 to 2 times per session, 3 to 4 times a week, and thank me later. All we need is a yoga mat dahil mostly floor exercises tayo today. At kung may booty bands ka tulad nito, gamitin mo na rin. Pero kung wala, okay lang din. Let's go! We're gonna start with deep squats to warm up our glutes. Squeeze your booty hard and make sure to keep your feet flat on the ground, especially your heels. Inhale going down, exhale going up, and tighten your abs. Malalim guys ha, lower than 90 degrees para ma-hit talaga ang butt natin. Squeeze! After all that we've been through, I always knew I'd be the one to care a little bit way too much. So now I'm gonna make it worse. It has always been about you, never been a team except for two. You never care a little bit, not much. So now para naman sa outer booty, side to side lunges. Kung nahihirapan, you can do the modified version, pausing with feet together after each lunge. Remember to shift your weight sa side ng leg na naka-lunge while still keeping your feet flat on the floor. Squeeze your booty. Baba na tayo sa floor para sa single leg glute bridge. Place your hands on your side and your heels just below your fingertips. Lift one leg up and then lift your butt as high as you can, squeezing at the top. Pag angat, dapat mag-form ka ng straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your booty hard. Pagbaba naman, do not arch your back and keep it flat each time it hits the ground. Exhale at the top. Switch legs. Let's go, sexy love. You're doing good, sexy love. Keep it going. Don't want yourself doubts striking back at me. Don't need your lies based on insecurity. You're like a movie, seductive like a spell. You turn your feelings and nice one! Dito naman sa donkey kicks, make sure your upper body is stable by keeping your core tight na parang may sumusuntok sa tiyan. Avoid swinging your hips and overarching your back. Flex your foot para parallel siya sa ceiling pag-kick mo. Pinakamahalaga, dapat maramdaman mo to sa glutes mo, so make sure to focus on squeezing your booty while doing each rep. Dapat stable and balanced ang arms at hindi gumagalaw. Switch legs. I know it seems like I'm the one to lose. I might be crying, but baby, so will you. You tell them stories from one point of view. You say that I'm the one who messed it up too. Alright, next move na. Crossover glute kickback. Start on all fours, extend one leg, and then lift and bring it over to the other side, then to the other side, parang nagdo-draw ng rainbow. Squeeze your booty as you do this move. Again, keep your upper body stable and your abs tight, and feel this move in your glutes. Switch legs. Very good. Next up, fire hydrants para sa side booty natin. Keep your your back flat, dapat neutral spine, and keep your core tight as you lift one leg to the side. Dapat naka-fold ang leg to 90 degrees. Squeeze your booty at the top.
I can't just have ya anyway.
You may add pulses at the top para on fire talaga ang booty mo. Watch mo yung version using the band.
In the sky is deep blue. I'm better now than I was before. I've got to hold on to your heart.
Switch leg.
Every week of the year. I've got to rewind and restart so you get what you need, so you get all of me. Yeah, you get all of me, babe. I gave you all of me. Please take what you want from me. Ooh, ooh, yeah, you get all of me, babe. I gave you all of me. Please.
Yes, now let's practice hip thrusts. Usually, ginagawa to sa gym with a barbell. If you're a beginner, effective pa rin to even without weights. Try this in your couch or sofa.
Instagram.
Place your shoulder blades above the surface like this. Tuck your chin down, look forward, not upward. Lift your hips as high as you can, dapat nakatodo ha. And squeeze your abs and booty hard at the top. Pwede mong i-adjust yung feet mo, forward or back, kung saan mas mafe-feel mo yung tama sa booty mo. Dapat control din ang pagbaba. Exhale at the top.
Con esa espina dolió. Después de todos los parties me llamaron.
Alright, susunod, single glute bridge ulit, this time elevated na. Kung hindi pa komportable, you can do it again on the floor.
Vivido la aprovecha más. Si tú no quieres beber, tengo filas hasta 3. No te necesito más. Te crees mucho, lo sé. Fui quien te digo, sé. Pero hay más en Instagram. Si tú no quieres beber, tengo filas hasta 3. No te necesito más. Te crees mucho, lo sé. Fui quien te digo, sé.
Switch legs, kaya natin to, sexy love.
Los mensajes que no pude ver ya, que eran tus amigas, que nada que ver, pues tan bobo no, ni rezando a Dios, no me lo hace dos veces. Lo más triste de la realidad, solo mentira, nada verdad. Me quedaba mucho por sentir, no creo que fuera necesidad. Tú me quitaste la...
Nice one! Balik tayo sa donkey kicks. You can do this with or without a band. Keep in mind yung reminders kanina, tight core, and mind-muscle connection.
What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused.
Go, sexy love! Ang intense talaga nito, pero tuloy lang for your booty.
Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends.
Alright, switch legs. Again, focus on the glutes. Keep your abs tight para feel mo talaga sa butt mo.
The lies, even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting. Still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be.
Nice! Ready for crossover kickback. Focus on your glutes.
Baby, I don't wanna be. How it hurts to see you smile, like a dagger in me. She just seems so juvenile. I just want it to be me. I wanna set your world on fire. Oh, you're so sure I'll stick around. Oh, my heart drops when you play
Well done, sexy love. Switch legs. Really squeeze your butt.
about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a vibe when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you. I got
Good job! Last move natin, fire hydrants. This time, try it with the pulse at the top. Keep your back straight, lift, then pulse, pulse, and down. Grabe to, you will really feel the burn in your booty.
Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say
Switch legs. Last na to.
in time to make it right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the
Keep it going. We're nearly done.
maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night. I could have called you my.
Great job! Woo! Well done, sexy love! Kamusta? Nahirapan ka ba? O sakto lang? Comment mo naman sa baba. Expect mo medyo sasakit yung glutes mo or yung booty mo for a couple of days. Pero okay lang yan, ganyan talaga. Kung gusto mo mag-grow ang booty, konting PS, hit replay para makompleto mo ang 4 sets. At kung tapos na, check mo naman ang workout na to para sa smaller waist and flatter tummy at ito naman para sa lower abs.